Well, I wanted to have a video out for you guys today, but it didn't happen. Real quick, right now, yeah, it's dark out. About 60 degrees, supposed to be 70 or more here in the next few days. But anyway, just a real quick what I got going on here. Been working on the 1997.3 IDI diesel crew cab here, and I think I've got, if I can not cut myself down here, I think I've got I got the bed ready to come off. Bed's coming off this thing tomorrow. All I have left to do is a little bit of wiring underneath here that I need to undo. Other than that, it's ready to go. Fought me a little bit. These back two bolts, they didn't come out too bad. There weren't any two in the middle. They were gone. One's up in the front. Well, you'll see that in the full video coming out here in a couple of days, but that took a little bit of doing. But gonna bring the gonna get the loader tractor over here tomorrow. I'm just gonna hook a chain onto this thing. I'm just gonna pull it out of here. I really don't care if I damage it or not. It does have some good sheet metal on it that I could use for something else. We'll get into talking about this. Yeah, she had some body filler in her. I thought she did, the way it looked. But we'll talk about that a little bit more later. But bed's coming off of that thing tomorrow. We'll get to work on the frame, and then get to work on cab corners, get the doors all finished up. This really isn't going to take all that much to get, I feel like I'm zoomed way in. Really not going to take all that much to get looking good. I got that front fender. I need to get the other front fender. Hood I can salvage. I believe it does need a new radiator support, but other than that, not a whole lot. And I know she doesn't look that good, but she will shortly. It's not really going to take a whole heck of a lot. Might need a new rear bumper, new front bumper, and figure out what we're going to do with a bed on this thing. I have a couple ideas. So anyway, guys, that's what's going on down here at the Fox shop tonight. I've been working on that thing. She fought me a little bit, but I won. And now it's going on 7 o'clock. I think supper is about ready up in the house. Some kind of a steak concoction in the crock pot. I don't know what's going on for sure, but anyway, guys, feeling a little bit tired. She been working on this thing for a long time. There's some wiring that comes up into this, and then just the usual wiring down underneath here. You just got to unplug it, and that bed should lift right off of there. You can see I have a few tools out here. Took a little bit to get that off, but or not get it off, but get it ready to get off. I think right now I could hook chains onto it and lift it right up off out of there. So anyway, that's what's going on down here at the Fox shop. I wanted to have a video out today for it, but didn't happen. Just things take a little longer than you expect sometimes. That's usually how it goes. But anyway, we'll talk a lot more about this truck here in upcoming videos. I'm really excited to get working on this thing. I'm into it. I'm definitely into it. A lot more than I was the Bronco. I'd much rather do a pickup than a Bronco. So anyway, guys, this is a really short video. I'm gonna cut it off right now, and we will catch you in the next video coming up real soon. So catch you later. Bye bye.